show. Today, you are about to witness 15 live mannequins as they portray different book characters from our favorite fairy tales down to the great gods and goddesses of Greek mythology. I request everyone to settle down and keep quiet as each character introduces. May I remind the audience that taking pictures during the show is strictly prohibited. Taking pictures will be done after the show. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
It really was a miracle what happened next day. The wind began to switch, the house to pitch, and suddenly the hinges started to unhinge. Just then, the witch, to satisfy an itch, went flying on her broomstick, thumping on a niche. Hi, I'm Dorothy from the movie Wizard of Oz.
Oh, Father, I just had the most wonderful time. I'm so happy. I just Prince Alex become my husband. A whole new world, and something place I never knew. But when I went up here, it crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Hi, I'm Princess Jasmine from the story of Aladdin.
People are bringing up the same. There is something sweet and almost kind, but he was so mean, and he was a racist and unkind. But now she is a planet shore, and why I hate them all. I am the story of Beauty and the Beast.
Speaking of Mary and Ben just met. You asked my Becky, but the answer is no. I think you should go. The party is over. Close the meeting. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me any. I'm Elsa, Queen of Arendelle from the movie Frozen. I'm your friend, you're trying tiger on a blue corner. For us, the green will cut mighty green. Instinct we call the process.
Mannequin.
We paint the goals of color
E.
because of the wind. We can
M
own the
N
earth,
E.
oil on the earth until we
N
paint the
E.
colors of the wind. Hi, my name is Pocahontas. Kathleen.
Ano?
To see who I never know. Every day, you did the do I play a part. Now I see where a man I can fool the world, but I cannot steal my heart. Hi, teacher. I'm Mulan. Your wings, it's perfect, like yours.
Every fairy was born in the same house of time. Then Periwinkle and Tinkerbell was born in the same house of time. That's why the wings are.
So, we're sisters. What? I just read the home. Did you cross the border? Yes, I just want to see an animal crossing. I didn't quite see you. Me too. Hi, I'm Tinkerbell. And I'm Periwinkle.
If you find war, do so, and find out by defending yourself against me. Hi, I'm Queen Hera, the Queen of Woman and Marriage and Queen of Heaven.
I am the daughter of Zeus, the mighty ruler of the Olympian god. I will protect all the animals in my domain with my bow and arrow. I live life in my own terms. I am forever chaste. I am Artemis, the goddess of light, and my divine duty is to illuminate the darkness.
I am the most attractive goddess of Mount Olympus, the goddess of love, beauty, and eternal youth, Aphrodite.
Today, the travelers on the Nile enters the wonderland at those gates. Rise the colossal pyramids on which he had visions. Perhaps from their earliest childhood. I'm Nile, the god of Egypt.
I will become a true hero, and I won't let you down, father. Help me, not to go the distance. There is I am Hercules, the son of Zeus, the god of war.
I am the goddess of wisdom. I am the goddess of wisdom, the practical art and warfare, the protector of the cities, especially Athens. I am
Every 3 months we stood against the tyrant. I will kill all the Persians. I will treat us from the moving the 300.
Thank you everyone for watching.